So here are a couple of exercises to help you exercise your upper back muscles, improve your posture using a resistance band. So I'm doing this, it's on a seat, but you can do it in standing as well, that's fine. So we're going to start by having the arms in this position, palms facing up. Keep the elbows tucked in at the waist. Hold on to your resistance band, shoulders relaxed. And then as you breathe out, we'll send the hands away as far as you can take them. And then bring them back to center. And again, send the hands away. Bring them back to center. Breathing out. And breathing in. So I'm keeping those elbows tucked in at the waist there, because I really want to target those muscles in the upper back, those postural muscles, those muscles that sit in between the shoulder blades. So if you keep the elbows tucked into the waist nicely, then it will target the right area in the upper back. So this is quite a light resistance band, so you can use a stronger one if you wanted to. Okay, but for using the arms and working the shoulders, a light one is normally fine. Just do one more. Now, this time, I'm going to hold my arms out in front like that. Okay, so I've just got the band now, so my hands are about shoulder width apart. I'm just going to take the arms up to the ceiling and then bring them all the way back down again. Almost so the band touches the knees, and then all the way back up again and then back down. Reach up to the ceiling and back down. So when the arms come down, feel like you're bringing your shoulders down with you. So they're away from the ears as far as possible once those arms are down. Now we'll keep the arms up this time. And then we're just going to pull the elbows down. So we're going to pull on the band a little bit. Draw the elbows down so they're about shoulder height now. Take the arms back up and then lower them all the way back down again. So we send the arms up, pull the band a little bit, draw the elbows down a touch, reach back to the ceiling and lower. So the arms go up, draw the elbows down, elbows to shoulder height, arms back up. I'll just do one more. So the arms go up, draw the elbows down, do a reach and back down. Now I like to repeat this a few times. So once we've taken the arms up this time, we'll stay with the arms up to the ceiling so that we can do it again. So we'll pull the elbows down and then do a reach, pull the elbows down. And each time I pull the elbows down, again I'm thinking about just bringing the shoulders down with me as well. Wonderful. I'm just going to do one more. And then we can lower the arms down to finish. And just give those shoulders a little roll around.